How you going, guys? Welcome to Gritty's Racing Resto. Kitty Cat says hi. Sunday Funday. So, I've got a fair bit done on the rebuild. It's getting there. It's taking time. Heater's on. So we're testing to see how well this will work. Rightio. So I got my wall built and the couch fits perfect in between. I had to bring the couch all the way forward, turn it, and then push it in. Some DVDs happened today, so I bought extra DVDs. There was a lot, so I'm in the middle of sorting DVDs out and having snacks. Sunday night. Suppose I'll just bum around and make some stuff happen. I'll show you what I've been doing. So I've just got a huge amount of DVDs today. So the couch fits in good. Put a few pictures up. Got some more to put up. I will probably need to put ply here so I can screw pictures to the back, or I'm going to have to do it to the spines. Right. Hey, that's made. Have a look at this. So we have... I'm going to be able to see them the best. Got a bunch of BMWs. So they're up there nice and neat. I'll put some more strip lights behind them so I can see them. But picked up about 1,300 DVDs today, so I already had about 1,000. So we've got a few to go through. So yeah, what I'm doing at the moment is... It was supposed to be books in this, but it's DVDs at the moment. But what I'm doing is I'll put things down the bottom here, like books or something similar. I don't know yet. Work that out. This will get filled with books. Dog's happy on her bed. Cat, she wants more food. The dog just went for a drive, so she's happy. But yeah. But it's getting there. And the heat comes in from the heater. So next step is clean kitchen. Get everything else done. This goes out of here. Put an engine here. I already know the engine. There's actually two engines I'm going to start putting together. So Tom's engine and Hugh's engine. This is more than two, but yeah. So for now, I'll probably just bring in my toolbox and put here. Build some engines in here, and then I can do them at night time, which is very important. I've got a bunch more pictures to put up, so I'd like to put some up here. But eventually the record player will come in here on some sort of stand, and then probably have a bench here anyway. So, hey, it always changes. Everything changes. It doesn't matter what you do. Everything always kind of changes, and it's not bad in here. I might put some roof stuff up, so some pine or something on the roof. But yeah, so now I've gone through all these DVDs. There's boys' DVDs, girls' DVDs, TV show series, heaps of hit and miss TV show series, and just all sorts of crap. So I will get all that done and go from there. And just as I do stuff, I keep clean little bits here, clean little bits there. I've got new towel rail for the bathroom and just lots and lots of little stuff. It's not like a normal house, so I want to make it a little bit more homey. I spent 10 years here, and the whole time I was here, it was always temporary. With what's just happened in life, I've decided I need to make it feel like home and call it home, because where you live is your home. If it's a tent, it's still your home. So you have to accept the situation you're in order to be able to be happy to attract a better situation. Sounds crazy, but it is what it is. Thanks, guys. Thought I'd just show you part 2, Sunday Funday. This week, I'll get back into some work hardcore. So I'll have some more car stuff done. I'll have a running Weber M10 E30 and a few other things done. All right. You have a lovely week, and I'll throw down some videos during the week. Thanks for your time. Have a good Sunday night.